Welcome to my channel. This step-by-step instructions are provided by ChatGPT. Follow this step thoroughly to sign and log into ChatGPT. Here are step-by-step instructions for your first-time visit to the OpenAI website, signing up, and logging in to access ChatGPT. First step, open your web browser and go to the OpenAI website by entering openai.com in the address bar and pressing enter. Or you can Google OpenAI, and it will prompt you to the website openai.com. Once you're on the OpenAI homepage, look for the Sign Up or Get Started button. Click on it to proceed. On the Sign In page, you'll see two options: Sign In for existing users and Create Account for new users. Since you're a new user, click on the Create Account button. You will be directed to the OpenAI account creation page. Fill in the required information, including your name, email address, and password. Ensure you choose a strong and secure password, or you can create an account using your Gmail or Microsoft account. After entering your information, review and agree to OpenAI's terms of service and privacy policy. You might need to scroll down to read the full terms. Once you've agreed to the terms, click on the Create Account or Sign Up button to proceed. OpenAI may require email verification to ensure the validity of your email address. Check your email inbox for a message from OpenAI and click on the verification link provided. After verifying your email, you'll be redirected back to the OpenAI website. At this point, you can now log into your newly created account. Click on the Sign In or Login button on the OpenAI website to access the login page. On the login page, enter the email address and password you used during the registration process. Once you've entered your login credentials, click on the Sign In or Login button to proceed. Congratulations! You have successfully logged into your OpenAI account. Now you can access ChatGPT. Look for the ChatGPT section or navigate to the ChatGPT interface within your account. It may be labeled as ChatGPT, Chat with AI, or something similar. It's on the left side of the screen. Click on the corresponding link or button to launch the ChatGPT interface. You should now see the ChatGPT interface, where you can start interacting with the model by typing in the input field and pressing enter or clicking the Send button. Follow my example on how to chat with ChatGPT. Remember, you can experiment with different phrasings or ask follow-up questions to refine the responses. Feel free to provide feedback or ask for clarifications from ChatGPT if needed. Additionally, using system-level instructions can help guide ChatGPT behavior and generate responses that align with your needs. Thanks for watching. Hit the like and subscribe button for more information regarding ChatGPT. Follow the next video on how to best use ChatGPT.